Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video today. I'm trying out something that is not new, but I have not tried it before, and it is from Huda Beauty. And the first thing I am trying is the foundation, and I am using the color Macaroon, which I think I love the name of, so I thought I would love the foundation, and I will let you know. But before I put that on, I used their primer. They're calling this primer the Perfection Complexion Pre-Makeup Primer. And I tried it on, I put it on my spot right here where I always have pores that show. I'm comparing this with the Tatcha Canvas Silk Primer, and so far the Tatcha primer is winning because immediately when I put this on, as soon as it dried, my pores were still there. It didn't have like a filling capacity to it, which maybe it's not supposed to do that, maybe it is. I'll look into that and see if I can get you a little bit more information before the day's over. But as you can see, my makeup is on, the foundation is on, and I set it with the Huda loose powder. So I will check in a couple times during the day and let you know how this is working. But before we get into the final verdict, I want to show you the products that I've been using. This first one is the primer, and it's $35. The second one is the foundation, and it is $40. And then the third piece is the powder that I love, and this is $34. This is one of the best setting powders I've ever used. Hey everybody, here I am checking in. I've had this foundation on for about, I think 11 hours or something like that. And from a distance like this, when you look at my face, it looks pretty good. And I'm glad everybody pretty much stands at least 3 feet away from me because this is pretty much what they see. But when I get close, now I'm gonna do this slowly. When I get close, you can see it's pretty much worn off on my chin. It's separated a little bit and creased under my eyes. And now I know that's not the concealer doing that, that's the foundation, like right down through here, it's creasing. Got a little crease going on right here, which I always have that there, but this particular foundation really filled that in for some reason. And it's a little patchy out here, pretty much gone on my nose. So all in all, I am not loving this foundation. Now I love the Huda powders and I love some of her other products, but this foundation is just not a go for me. Let me just give it another couple of hours and I'll check in again and we'll just do the final verdict on it and we'll see how it worked out. Hey everybody, I'm back for my final check-in, and I know you can tell by looking at me that it was a really long day. It was very hot here in Texas. When I got into my car to leave work, my temperature gauge said it was 100 degrees outside, and it's very humid and very crazy, and something like, I don't know, 107 is the heat index, so it's just nuts. So I don't really expect any foundation to hold up all that well in this kind of heat and humidity. However, I am trying it out anyway. I need something that will work out in this type of weather, and I know a lot of you do too. So the final verdict is I probably would not buy this foundation. I don't hate it. I think it's just okay. And with all the options that we have out there for our foundation and for everything, okay is just not good enough, is it? We need something that's really going to do what we need it to do. And as much as I love Huda, this foundation's just not doing it for me. So anyway, that being said, this is the end of this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.